Namaskar. In this video I will solve time and work related some question. In previous video, basics of time and work have been already discussed. Still I will repeat it in shorts. Let's start with one example. Example number 4. A and B can do a work in 12 days. B and C can do that work in 15 days. And C and A can do that work in 20 days. Alone A can do that work in how many days? Let's solve this. Options are 24, 30, 40 and 10. Let's solve. Concentrate on question. A and B can do in 12 days. B and C can do that work in 15 days. C and A can do that work in 20 days. First I have to find out TW, total work, and for this find out LCM. Earlier I have told you how to find LCM. Here you have to find out LCM of 12, 15 and 20. 20 is greater number. Read table of 20 and observe which number is exactly divisible from 12 and 15 also. 21 is 20, 22 is 40, 23 is 60. 60 is divisible from 12 and 15 both. So LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 60. After total work, you have to find out daily work of every cases. For this, you have to divide this total work LCM from every case. If you will divide 60 from 12, you will get 5. B and C can do in 15 days. If you will divide 60 from 15, then you will get 4. And C and A can do that work in 20, and if you will divide total work, you will get 3. Here 5 is daily work of A plus B, 4 is daily work of B plus C, and 3 is daily work of C plus A. If you add all the total work, you will get 5 plus 4 plus 3, 12. This 12 is total work of A plus B plus C, and all are 2 times. For one time, you have to divide 12 by 2. 6. So work of ABC is 6 in 1 days. Now again concentrate on question. You have to find out A alone can do the work in how many days. From where you will get A, daily work. From ABC, if you deduct B and C job, you will get the work of A. So deduct 6, B plus C 4, that will be 2. It means A can do 2 work daily. If he can do in 1 day 2 work, then for 60 days you have to divide from 2. It will cut in 30 times, so answer will be 30. Now see next example. A and B can do a work in 8 days. B and C can do that work in 12 days. all the three together can do that work in 6 days. In how much days A and C together complete the work? Options are 10, 8, 12 and 20. Let's solve. A and B can do in 8 days. B and C can do in 12 days. And all together, it means A plus B plus C can do in 6 days. Now find out total work. You have to find out LCM. LCM will be 6, 8, 12. LCM is 24. Now daily work. For case AB, it will be 3, B plus C 2 and A plus B plus C is 24 divided by 6 will be 4. Now again concentrate on question. A plus B plus C can do 4 work in 1 day. And you have to find out how much day A and C can do. You have to find out A's daily work and C's daily work. How you will get? From A, B, C, if you subtract B and C, then you will get A. So deduct it. 4 minus 2 will be 2. So A daily work is 2. Now I found out C daily work. You have to subtract A, B, C minus A plus B. 4 minus 3, it means 1. Then A 1 day work is 2 and C 1 day work is 1. So A plus C is 2 plus 1, 3. It means A and C can do that work 3 in 1 day. They have to work 24. So you have to divide 24 by 3. It will cut from 8. So answer will be A and B can do a work 3 days. After how many days did A leave? Option 12, 8, 9 and 6. Now solve it. A can do that work in 45 days. B can do that in 40 days. Let's find out total work. 45, LCM of 45 and 40 will be 360. And day basis work, A daily work is 360 by 45 will be 8. And B's daily work will be 360 divided by 40 is 9. Now concentrate on question. In question, B are working for 23 days. If he work 9 days, 9 work in 1 day, how much work he will do in 23 days? 9 into 23, 207 work. 207 work will be done by B. Then find out rest all work. 360 minus 207, 153. This 153 work have been completed by A and B both. A and B both are doing 17 work in 1 day and they have to do 153 work. So how much day they have to do? Divide it. It will cut from 9. It means after 9 days A have lived away. So answer will be 9. Thank you. Time and work part 3 will be continued.